Turnitin is finally available to individuals, not just institutions. So Academi.cx can provide you with that, with a real Turnitin plagiarism report and also with an AI detection report once you upload your essays. So I uploaded two of them here. For one of them, I've got 8% plagiarism report, and then it highlighted the top sources, which are mostly student papers. And then as you scroll down, you will see the text that was plagiarized. What is really cool is that I also have the AI detection report here. And now this one is not directly provided from Turnitin. This is their own proprietary system. So we need to compare this to a real Turnitin report because this is what your professor will see. So we've got 28% here, AI score, and it's mostly the text in the beginning here that was highlighted. Fine. So now let's open the same essay in Turnitin, and we've got 33%. So 28 versus 33%, 5% difference. This is actually absolutely fine because this is just a probability game. And according to Turnitin, anything below 20% is inconclusive. So I wouldn't worry about that difference at all. And then when you scroll down, there you go, you've got the essay. And again, it is the beginning of the essay that is highlighted, which is exactly what you want to see because you want to know what you need to work on. And then as an example, I have another essay here. The AI detection score is 65%. Again, the beginning of the essay is created by AI. And then if I go quickly to Turnitin, open the report, this is what I've got, 74%. So again, that difference is absolutely fine. And when you scroll down, it is the beginning of a document that was created by AI. And this is what I would need to work on here. And if I jump quickly to pricing, this is a freemium product, meaning that you can get one Turnitin plagiarism report for free a day. One upload, one report for free a day, forever, which is brilliant. But if you want to keep re-uploading the documents on the same day, if you want to get that AI detection report as well, so you have the full image of what your professor will see, right? Both on the plagiarism side and on the AI detection side, then you can get this pro subscription for $15 a month, and then you will be able to see everything and keep re-uploading and re-uploading to make sure that everything is correct and your professor is not going to see anything of concern.